We're here at the global debut of the Acura Integra Prototype. This is such an important model for the Acura brand, as we're leveraging our heritage of the Integra name, but also creating a new gateway for our next generation of Acura customers. I'm just going to point out some of the great design elements for you of this prototype vehicle. I think the first thing you'll notice is the striking paint, Indy Yellow Pearl, taken from our NSX supercar. You'll also notice a very aggressive front fascia, which for me is one of my favorite cues with having the name Integra embossed in both the front and rear fascias. You'll see our signature chicane LED daytime running lamps, a very aggressive wheel package, 19-inch in size, these amazing Brembo calipers, also painted in that same yellow as the body itself. But it's the great black accents that you'll notice on the roof, the door mirror caps, even on the rear deck lid spoiler that really give it a sporty and purposeful design. Clearly you'll see the Integra graphics along the bottom of the vehicle. And as we make it towards the rear, maybe my favorite view of the car, you'll notice this sloping roof that lends to the 5-door liftback design. So this vehicle is not only sporty and purposeful, but it actually has the versatility that this next generation of Acura customers are going to want. Lastly, we'll take a look around the back with a single-piece LED chicane tail light design and this amazing rear diffuser and blacked out exhaust tips.
It's sleek and sporty like the Integras we all fell in love with. But with this new model, we really focus on styling and versatile packaging that will appeal to the next generation of customers. With its striking 5-door design, it's perfect for active lifestyles. And with its dramatically sloping roofline, this new Integra has a coupe-like presence while maintaining the versatility of a liftback. The all-new Integra Prototype was crafted with the next iteration of Acura's signature design language, the new frameless diamond pentagon grille. And also included is Acura's unique lighting signature, featured front and rear with 4-element jewel-eye headlights and chicane daytime running lights and brake lights. With its great proportions and stance and dual exhaust finisher, this Integra shows its potential as a true performance 5-door. Now, clearly inspired by previous Integra models, this prototype features distinctive wide single-piece taillights, and just like back in the day, the name Integra is embossed in the front and rear fascias. The Indy Yellow Pearl color you see here on this prototype is borrowed from the NSX, but it pays tribute to the Phoenix Yellow of the iconic 3rd generation Integra Type R. And it's not just a tribute to the color. This will be the first turbocharged Integra from the factory, and it will deliver on an emotional driving fun of its predecessors with a turbocharged 1.5-liter VTEC engine, an available 6-speed manual transmission, and limited slip differential. Integra is developed with enthusiasts like you and mine. We all know the trend towards SUV and crossovers, but this model will flip the script when it arrives at Acura dealers next year, priced around $30,000, attracting customers beyond just its competitive segment.